So I want to save that item, then the system will tell me that the item was successfully created. Then of course you can create as many items. Now I want to create another item. I call it Dasani water. Then I say 500 ml. Then the manufacturer, we should have created a manufacturer here whom we can call others like that. The code can be 003. So I want to go to stock and then say create item. Then I say Dasani water. Then I say 500 ml. Then for the manufacturer I pick others. For the subcategories, the category I pick others. Then I pick I think I can category I pick beverages, and I think water. Okay, then here I can say the cost price is 30 bob. Then you sell it at 60 shillings. Then what else do I need to say? I can say that the minimum price can be 55 shillings. If sometimes you sell at wholesale, then you save. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to purchase these items into stock, but maybe before I do that, we can go to stock. We can see our items in the list. We have Dasani water, we have NSA VSOP 1 liter and 750 ml. And then probably you realize that the 1 liter, the prices are wrong. You can click the edit button here, then you put the cost price as 16,000. Then the retail price can be 17,800. The wholesale price can be 17,000. Then I can save it just like that. So here we have your item list, and then we can go ahead and purchase these items into stock so that we can start selling them. So you can go to purchases and then say create purchases. The first thing here is I will pick the supplier. So the supplier can be premium alcohol. I also want to pick the destination, like when you purchase this stock, in which shop do you want the stock to go to. So you can say we are purchasing it into the store, and here you can search Hennessy VSOP 1 liter, and then you can put the quantity here. Say you purchased 30 pieces at the same cost price. Remember, here you can change the cost price here. You can also include water, Dasani water. Then you've purchased 200 pieces at the same cost price, and then you've also purchased Hennessy 750 ml, and you've purchased 60 units. So once you are done with that, you can commit that purchase. And then if you go to stock now, you can go to stock valuation, and you pick here you select all brands. So here you have all categories, all subcategories. Then here you select all brands to give you all the items in your stock with your total value. So let's say you want to transfer this stock from the store now. You want to dispatch it to the shops so that they can now start selling. So I'll go to transfers, then say send items, then I'll say that I'm transferring from store to Thika branch. Here I can search water 200, and then I want to transfer only 50 pieces to Thika branch. Then I also want to transfer Hennessy, just 5 pieces or 5 units, and also want to transfer Hennessy 750 ml. I have 60 pieces, so I just want to send like 5 to the Thika branch. Then I can say send items. So immediately I click send items. If I go to all transfers now, if I click send transfer now and I open that transfer, I can see the items being transferred here. Now I can wait for the person responsible for the Thika branch to accept, or I can even accept that one myself. So I want to go to our users page, and I'll create a user. I call him Susan, and I give her a role of sales, and then the sales name can be Susan, and the assigned shop can be Thika. Then I will say the full name is Susan Jane, like that. Then I can save. So immediately I save this user, the default password will be just the name password. So I will log out here and I will log in with Susan, and for the password I'll put the word password. I'm assuming that's the case here. The system will ask Susan to change password, so I can put 1234 and I put another 1234, then I save. So immediately Susan does login in, she can see that there is a transfer that is pending here, and she can open it and she can see the items being transferred, and then she can just accept the transfer like that. So once you accept the transfer, the stock will move from store to Thika branch. If you click open here, you see that stock has been transferred from store to the transaction number is 1. So right now if you search Dasani water here, you see that now you have an available of 200, but the store has 195 because you've transferred 5 to the Thika branch. So once you do that, you can make sale now, and you can search for Dasani water here. It will be populated into the catalog, and then the system will automatically do the sum. So you can probably change the quantities to 2 pieces. I also want to sell Hennessy 1 liter, just 1 piece, and as I add the items, the system is doing the totals automatically and also populating it as a cash payment. So once I'm done with that, I can just click make sale like that, and the sale has been completed. I can go to my sales report here, then I can go to today's sales. You can see what I have sold. I can even open the receipt, the individual receipt, and I can see the total here, and I can also go to sales session history, then I can open this session here that can give me a summary of I don't know why it is not opening, but I'll check on that. Then I can go back to stock. I can see my items quantities. If I click here, I want all categories. You can see now that the Sun water was 5 pieces, but I sold 2, so I have a remaining of 3. And I can even print this stock sheet like that. That gives me the quantities. So basically that's how you set up a shop, and that's how you make a sale. And if I go to payments, I can see the sales payments. You can see we have a customer called retail because we not put the customer details. So I want to log out and go back as system admin, and you can see now my dashboard has been updated. Now I want to go back to stock, no setup, then go to users. I want to create another user. I call him James, the role of sales, then the full name is James. I want to assign him the Nakuru branch, then I say James. This one I can just put 00, then I save. So from here I want to send some stock to Nakuru, so I go to send items. Then I want to now send from store to Nakuru branch. Then here I just want to send Hennessy just 1 liter. I want to send 5 pieces like that. Then I click send items. So when I log in with James here, I can change the password still to 1234 1234 like that. And if I try to sell Hennessy right now, Hennessy like this, the system will not allow me to sell because I don't have those quantities. So I can go to stock transfers and click the transfers, then click the transfer, then accept items. Now if I got back to make sale, then I search for Hennessy, now it appears because I have the quantities, and I can sell. Remember, you can also create customer details if you like. If, like, for example, you want to sell to Francis and you also want to offer credit to Francis, you can sell on credit by just selecting invoice here, and then you can make a sale just like that. And as the admin, if I log in now as system admin, I can go to, you see now the system automatically updates my dashboard, and now we have 2 shops which are participating in our sales. We have Thika and Nakuru. And anytime I go to reports, then sales sessions, I can select the Thika branch. It's going to show me all the sales that have happened during the day, and also the payment methods, and the cash summary, the credit summary. If I click Nakuru here, I can see that the credit, the cash summary will give me overall summary, the credit summary. Then I go to payment method summary, going to give me invoice. I can click show all. and here is a customer that we just created. Now if I click on this customer, the system can allow me to open the statement for that customer, and I can do a payment. Like let's say for example this customer has paid 4,000, and I can say he or she has paid by cash. Then I can post that one here. So you see, the system keeps updating the balances accordingly. So the system has so many features, of course, but I've just described the basic one. But if you also need more customization of the system, we still can do it. So that's how you can use our system to perform sales.